Well, hello YouTube fans. Today we got the marble race track run thing that I made. It's a do-it-yourself cardboard marble run. And depending on the marble and how it's running, it can run from 55 seconds to about minute 4, minute 5 within those 10 seconds. So we do got 4 funnels. The first one, it goes around, twirls. You got the second one, third one down there after it loops, fourth one, and then we got the finish way down there. So without further ado, let's get started with our marble track. Alright, here we go. Going down to the first funnel there. We already got one stuck. Down into the second funnel. Oh, we got 2 more stuck. Put in 3 more stuck. But we still got some. We still got contenders here. Wow. Got one on that third funnel. Coming down. Down to the fourth funnel here. One finisher. Alright. First run. Second run here. We'll see how this goes. 9 contenders. Down in the first funnel. We've already got some that's already going into the second funnel. Oh yeah, we got a lot more contenders this time. Coming through the course, not getting stuck. Oh, we got some stuck there. But we still got 4 contenders coming around. Down into the third funnel. Alright, down into the fourth funnel here. One looped. Finished. Oh. So we got contenders all stuck everywhere. 3 of them finished. Alright. Most of them got stuck right here this time. Anyway, that's my marble run.